Hello everyone. In today's video, we will talk about how to introduce writing to your child. This video is going to be beneficial for all the parents who are homeschooling their child and also those who are going to school. First of all, you need to make sure that your child is 2.5 years or older than that, because before that their palm is not fully developed and their fingers are not so strong. Before reaching the stage of writing, your child first needs to learn some basic things. The first thing is let them do a lot of coloring. Let them color in blank pages, in color books, in printouts of their choice, and anything whatever they like. Let them color in all those books and copies and all. Let them learn how to hold the colors, be it whatever color pencils or crayons or sketch pens or whatever. Let them get a grip of those things. With coloring, you can also let them do a lot of scribbling in blank pages. They can hold their pencils in any way they are comfortable, whether it is from on top or sideways or with two fingers or all the fingers, or any way they are comfortable with, they can hold their pencils. Next step, what you need to teach them is tracing. Tracing can be done in 4 ways: standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and curves. You can make worksheets to practice tracing, where they can use their crayons or any other color for doing that. Initially, you have to guide the children while doing their worksheet, as they tend to leave the work incomplete. You need to encourage them to complete their whole work, whatever curves or patterns they are doing. Once they have learned this, then you can move on with doing worksheets of alphabets and numbers. To practice tracing, you can make homemade worksheets, or else you can Google and get a lot of worksheets over there, and you can simply just download them and print it out. Taking out the printouts will be a time-saving idea for all the busy parents. With tracing worksheets, you can also give them the worksheets of match the following with alphabets as well as even with numbers. You can also give them join the ABCs or numbers in a zigzag pattern. This way they will come to know what comes after what. You can give them different shapes in a dotted form so that they can trace them and also learn about those shapes. And one more thing, what parents need to remember when the child have just started to trace, that you need to give them big alphabets and big numbers and big objects to trace, because if you give them smaller ones, their hand might pain, their fingers might pain, and they might lose interest in doing their work. So it's always good to try to give them big ones, big objects to trace, big numbers, big alphabets, and everything. With this, I've come to an end of this video. If you found my video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.